one crusty dusty freak. Not where you saw me go. That's fucking for sure. It's steep. I don't know where I'm going. Oh my god. Morning. Look at the weather. It's so nice today. I am heading to the freaking mountains. The mountains. Me. If you know me, you know I love mountains. I went for my Uber. I should have really ordered a bit earlier. That should be fine. Yeah, so it should be here in 2 minutes. Just waiting on it. Lovely day. Like, it's not freezing at all. I'm literally in shorts. I'm in shorts. Mainly because like it's easier to walk in than like anything else. Just shorts and a top. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my Uber. It's literally just down the road, so I did a quick make. I literally woke up at 6. I said fuck this shit. I went back to sleep, woke up at 6:30. I was like, nah, I gotta get up. I got up and I've eaten. So now it's time for the mountains. People are watching me, so I'm gonna go. Bye.
Ride for a real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. When I'm in it, I got you going, oh.
Okay, so we've literally just come from, like, I don't even know if I've updated you guys what's going on. So we're going on a boat trip down like the National Waterfalls. So we're going there. We have to stop and come to this cafe. So we're in there, we have to buy something in the cafe, whatever. But then the lights go out. Everything shuts off, all the power, everything. So it's just like quite cool. Yeah, we just did. So I don't think I've updated you guys then. Yeah, so we took the bus. It's about an hour. It was a really easy drive, like really easy drive. I'm glad I did this when I didn't rent a car and come up and do it on my own, because it's just difficult. Like toll bridges and stuff, I'm not used to toll bridges, so I just don't like know. But anyway, it's fine.
I can't even help it. I don't think I want to know that I've been on you. Ooh, oh. Tell me that you want it. Little baby, you a 10. Can I run it back again? Laid up, we paid up and faded on top of it. Ain't really.
So we've made it off of the boat, and now we're walking to the waterfall. So it's so beautiful. I tried to put my hair up and apparently it just ain't working. But yeah. So I don't know how much you can actually hear me, just because it's quite loud. Oh, we're headed. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Who's living there? It's so pretty! I'm obsessed. I just gotta make sure I find this all people, because I don't know where I'm going. Lady selling her stuff. I'm pretty sure I'm going up here. Oh yeah, we're definitely hiking today. But oh, there's people selling their stuff. It's so cute. But obviously they said you can't go swimming anymore because they're trying to make it more like eco-friendly and like protect the environment. So you're not allowed to swim anymore, which is a bit of a bummer. But I understand, obviously you want to protect the environment. People are really trying to climb. I ain't climbing up there. I'm sorry. Ain't happening. I thought those days were behind me. But we keep him. Wow, I'm out of breath. I'm not fit at all. But we're working on it. We're working on it. like with my backpack I look like one fucking Dora the Explorer, but it is what it is. It is so beautiful. I wish you could swim in it, but I understand for like eco purposes. I'm gonna try and get something picture of me. So this lady has got her legs over and I want to take pictures like that. If not, I'm gonna have to do a little like prop up kind of thing, or I might have to like probably use my tripod and pop my phone up. But let's do it. Let's go, because I'm pretty sure I saw the tour guide walk off and there's no one else from my tour group here, so if one of these things go mad, let me get it freaking moving. Oh, I see. But like, oh, we got those. Yeah, we got some. Okay. It's steep. Oh my god, it went in my head. I swear to god, it's so beautiful though. I don't know where these are running to. I don't know, we're gonna keep walking and figure it out. Because you know what? The most important thing is I have connection. And like, they're still like, it's 1:30. It's 11:30 now, so we've still got like 2 hours. We've got loads of time. It's just trying to keep up. Oh my god, more hill. I mean, yeah, it's a mountain, but I'm seriously unfit. Like, seriously. But anyway, we keep it moving. People are looking at me like, what the fuck is this girl doing? She's vlogging. Oh my god, it's so steep. Oh, there's a river. Can you guys see the fish? Oh my god, look how cute it is. They're just still, they're not moving. Wait, ain't got fish, don't know. But seen some fish. And we're here. The dog is so cute, I swear. Wait, look how cute the little puppy is. Oh, bye friend. He's so cute. Anyway, we made it here. Oh my god. Keep it moving, to be honest. At this point, there's no one around. I mean, there's people ahead, but I'm like basically by myself. Like by myself, in the middle of a fucking forest, in a mountain, in the middle of nowhere, in a different country. I mean, that's very peaceful to me. Like, that for me is what I want in my life. But at the same time, I gotta go somewhere and I don't know where I'm going. So, I don't know. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. It's so loud. We've left the like national park and we are heading, or we're in this like old town. Again, I'm a bit bummed I didn't get to go to the beach, but it is what it is. Just by okay, sir. Anyway, so she was saying that the freshwater meets salty water here, which is quite cool. Because obviously they're two different densities as well. You can actually, you won't pick up on camera, but you can actually see like the different pressures. But anyway, so we're just gonna be showing around some stuff, probably get something to eat. mean, that was like the last tour, and then now we have like free time in this town. Yeah, you know what I just don't, and I can't fathom, is that people are legit wearing coats. It's 20 degrees, people are wearing big winter coats, and I'm here in my little shorts and my top. One person who can't even wear their freaking jumper out here wearing coats. What the fuck? I need to find someone that sells actual food, like real food, not just coffee, because everywhere just sells coffee. Do people not eat? What's going on? I don't know. But they're like, oh, you can go in the church. Me, if I step foot in a church, I tell you something, I'll burst into fucking flames. The amount of sins that I have. But yeah, it's really nice. Like, it's so historically, it's so cute. Like, I love like little cute historical like places that are made of like stone. That nearly hit my head. I have to check when I look at the footage, but yeah. So we've got about an hour before we need to head back to the coach. I'm just finding somewhere. I want to find somewhere along the front because then I can look out on the water and just like be at zen. Especially because I fly home tomorrow. It's like, I don't want to go home tomorrow. Again, I gotta wake up at the arse crack of dawn. I have to wake up early. I know I can wake up early. I'm not super tired. It's going to be an early night because I want to get pictures. And look cute. Get pictures and yeah, basically that's what I want to do. And get my souvenirs. So I've come to this cute little restaurant. I feel like you just can never see me. My brain get a bit brighter. Okay, I've come to this restaurant and the food looks so good. Got myself a little cheeky glass of Prosecco. Let me show you. Stunning. So I'm gonna eat there, and then by the time I've eaten it, it should be time to go back to the boat. I'm either gonna eat again after the boat trip, on the boat trip, or before, I don't know, but at some point in the near future. So there you go. I really wish I could drink on my job, to be honest. I miss being a waitress sometimes. Regretting my decision. Slightly regretting. No, I don't do boats. Why have I put this? I kind of want to get off. I want to see a sunset, but at the same time, like, no, it's too late. Oh well. I die. Hopefully this doesn't get copywritten, but this is like some form of island, and I'm zooming. Look at that! Can I live there? I want to live here. I want to live here forever and ever and ever. Doesn't it look like something out of some movie? Like, I swear. It's like out of some form of movie, I don't know. If you get in my video, I'm sorry. What's going on here? It really, no, I really have to think that something out of some movie. Wow, am I drunk? Can I not speak? Oh, it's very dark. Right enough for it? Anyway, they're about to start singing, so we're heading back now. I'm ready, like, I'm not a boat person. Why did I think this was a good idea? How does my makeup look like that? I swear I touched it up. I look like one crusty dusty freak.
When you let someone I'm sorry. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Ain't got no cash, ain't got no style. Ain't got no girl to make you smile.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I
can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.
Didn't know I was right. Thank you for sharing.
So I've just come back to the hotel. Mind you, I need to wait. Fuck. Oh. I need to wait anyway. So this guy like gets in the lift on the level below me, and I'm just like, great. And then he goes, "Where are you going?" What do you mean? Where am I going? Not where you saw me go. That's fucking for sure. So I pressed a different button in the lift, and I went to the 5th floor, and then I came back down. Like, you don't need to know. Like, why ask that question? And some people just bare creepy the way they do it. I'm just like, no, thank you. So back now. Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought the sign wasn't on the door. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? I just extended my room time to thing. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I have to check in with you guys in a minute. Anyway, so yeah, I'm like, why the I had to pee. Sorry, I really had to pee. It looks super bright because I had to turn up the brightness. Anyway, so like, don't ask someone, where are you going? I'm in a lift in a hotel. Like, now I understand he may think, are you going to the thing? But other than the ground floor, where else am I going? Do you know what I mean? Or my room. We're in a hotel. Anyway, so it was jokes on the boat. Hopefully I remember to put in all the footage. Guys. This one woman, she was Brazilian or Portuguese, or she had both, I'm not quite sure. And she's like living her best life. I kid you not. This woman is dancing, giving everyone snacks and cheering everyone and up and dancing and hey, all of that. She, and not just her, but she was like the most lit one. Like, she was proper lit. And then like everyone was getting up and down. It was great. It was a really good vibe, you know. I'm glad I went. It was difficult because obviously the nausea and the seasickness. However, it wasn't too bad. I think it being cold helps, because when you feel like nausea or car sick or seasick, anything like that, feeling cold helps me. But it should help anyone, but it does help me. Anyway, so I was thinking I was going to go to a restaurant, but it's 9:30. And if I go out and eat now, it's too late. I'm leaving tomorrow. I need to freaking pack. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pack. So 12:30, and I check out 12:30. Yeah, so it is what it is. So I will see you guys soon. I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. What are we doing? Do it. Thank you. I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.
When the sun gets high, drop that pen up in the black soda house and know you ride with a real one. Side with a real one. Oh my mama, and God, you're the real thing.